Have you ever wondered how some people on Bybit process large crypto trades and enjoy exclusive benefits that regular users don't get? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become a Bybit Block Advertiser, the requirements you need to meet, the benefits you receive, and the application process from start to finish. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in growing your crypto business or becoming a professional advertiser on Bybit, then this video is for you. Becoming a block advertiser can unlock higher trading opportunities, increase visibility, and access to exclusive features designed for high volume traders. In this guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know in a simple step-by-step format. What is a block advertiser? Before we begin, let's understand what block advertisers usually is. A block advertiser is a verified advertiser who is approved to handle large trading volumes and provide liquidity within the Bybit ecosystem. The advertisers typically meet higher standards and gain access to premium tools and additional features that help them serve more users efficiently. Benefits of becoming a block advertiser: higher trading limits. You'll be able to handle larger trading volumes than regular advertisers, better visibility. Your advertisements may receive better exposure, helping you attract more buyers and sellers. Increased credibility. Being an approved blocked advertiser builds trust with users because it shows you've met Bybit requirements. Exclusive features. Qualified advertisers may receive access to advanced tools, priority supports, and other advertisers focused benefits. More business opportunities. With increased visibility and larger limits, you have the potential to complete more trades and grow your crypto business. Priority supports. Many premium advertisers receive faster assistance whenever they encounter issues. Yeah, like the customer care. If you have any issue with your trade, maybe somebody is refusing to release it on time, you can contact the customer care. They are always swifter, they're always faster to respond, and even if you send them an email, they'll prioritize you over others because you are trading in large volume and you are one of their major customers. So the requirements, so you generally need to qualify to satisfy Bybit's eligibility requirements. This may include account verification, meeting trading volume expectations, then demonstrating a strong trading history, complying with all platform policies, and fulfilling any additional criteria specified by Bybit. Since requirements can change, it's always a good idea to review the latest eligibility information before applying. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to become a blocked advertiser. So it's very simple. Just within 15 minutes, you can get all this done. So all you need to do is to go to your P2P user center. You go to view benefits here. So once you click on the view benefits, then it's going to take you to a page where it will show if you are eligible to apply for being a blocked advertiser. So you can trade high volumes in thousands of euros and all of that. So let's get right into. So yeah, you can see these are the three types of advertisers you can go for. So you can see the verified is I made a video yesterday talking about being a verified advertiser. Then you can see these are all the checklists. Once you pass all of them, you can apply. So I told you why I was denied because of trading volume. And I didn't want to trade too much because I'm trying to get this 40k USDT. So I just left it. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Even though I know I can do this and achieve it within a day, but I can still trade and make profits the way I'm trading. So this is the block advertiser, what this video is about. Block advertiser application. So I've completed individual and spiritual verification. This verification is completed. The valid phone number where you can receive message. Yeah, I've put that on my account. A valid email address where you can be. You can say I've put all this on my account. Then you just click on apply. So once you click on apply, it's going to take you to a new page. You can see here that you will need 2000 USDT deposits, so that will be frozen. So that 2000 USDT is going to be like a fee for in case if there's any transaction that I do that maybe is shady or something like that. So it's just like a safety deposit, like for keeping in case if something goes wrong. So requirements to before you can apply for being a blocked advertiser, you need to make this trading volume of 200,000 USDT. I showed you how you can check your trading volume yesterday. So you go to your P2P center, you click here, you can see my total trading volume is 67,000. You can see that I'm far away from 200,000. So that's another requirement I need before I can become a blocked merchant. Excellent P2P trade record. I actually have a good trading record. You can see good rating, last 100%, last 30 days. So I actually have a good trading record. Excellent P2P trade record, robust payment setup. So your application is expected to be reviewed within 5 to 7 days. So the application is going to be checked within 5 to 7 days. So they're going to contact you if they accept it or not. You can see you said that despite you advertising, the team will review your application and request additional information. So you put your anyone you want to put your WhatsApp or your Telegram, you put it there. You put your email address. You put your proof of funds. As you can see, there are like 7 options for proof of funds. The employer issued proof of income, tax return, and all of that. Then proof of transactions on other exchanges. If you don't have transactions in other exchanges, this will still go. You can still submit your documents. Then bank statement, you put it there too. So this, if you don't have proof in other platforms, you can still submit it. So these are the main major documents, and the application you can see is very simple and straightforward. And once you're approved, you can start serving your customers and trading huge amount of crypto. Becoming a Bybit Block Advertiser can be an excellent opportunity if you are serious about crypto trading and want to operate at a more professional level by meeting the platform's requirements and maintaining a strong trading reputation. You can unlock valuable benefits and expand your trading business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.